Have you ever seen this video or this video? This is what we call the a video made by AI. It looks very realistic, right? So that can be used as a tool to spread the misinformation. So how do we spot them? First, use your eye. Find some glitch video like unnatural blinking, robotic movement, or the voice that doesn't match lips. But sometimes it's hard to just use just only eye. I suggest you to use this. This is what we call deepware. It can verify the video you send to them to say this is a normal video or it's an AI made video. And remember, before you share any information, verify before amplify.